for hold me down, but my spirit too strong. African queen in my blood all along. From the concrete, me I rise like the dawn. Every scar on my skin tell me where me come from. No chain can bind the strength when me carry. Generations of women, them extraordinary. Me nah go settle for less than my worth. Black goddess walking pon this earth. Queen rise, see the fire in my eyes. No more apologize. Black woman crystallize. Queen rise, breaking through them all lies. Watch we organize. Black woman on the rise. My grandmother teach me to stand up tall. She survive every storm, never let herself fall. Now my daughter them a watch how me carry myself. So me show them that I crown